Hello, hi. I am Rotondo Blessing Mujeda, and I'm back again with another tutorial. I told you after unboxing our Canon. So now we are removing these tapes and get it ready for the use. It's gonna work. Today we are going to use it. Okay, here we go. I'll just throw it this side, and there's this one here as well. Okay. All right, now we have got this one. Let's remove it as well. It's holding the tray that holds the paper. Let me throw that side. Okay, we have got this one as well. Okay, this one opens where we need to start. Let's see if you can check. These are our cartridge ink. We're gonna put them in, but before we do that, we need to switch on our printer. There we go. Our printer, it's on. Check it out. There it is. There it is. Wow, beautiful. Fresh from the box. Oh, I see something here. Oh, yeah, I see something here. Here must be removed as well, eh? Oh, and it was supposed to be removed while it was off. Okay, let's say I'll attend it later. Firstly, let's focus on inserting our ink. Okay, there we go. When you open, this is what it does. Yeah, there we go. So this is what you do. You press down, you press down. Okay, there we go. Let me take the black one first. Sorry, this is it. So I'll need to remove or to pull up there we go, the orange thing. Now you can see it is clean. So yeah, there we go. This is how we put it in. Is it in? It's not yet in, man. It must be fully in. Let's push it in nicely because it's still brand new. We don't want to break a thing. It's not going in. Okay, let me check on this one. You see, on this one it did good. It did go in. Okay, let me bring this other one, the color one. You see, still fresh and brand new. Let me remove the, yeah, now it is without that orange what thing. There we go. That means I was putting the wrong colors, eh? Yeah, we are done with our colors. It's actually even written here, check black color. I was putting black on the wrong. And they also show us here how to do it. Yeah, so do go through it before you do, before you mess up the things. Can you listen? It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. Could you? Oh God, listen to it. Listen to it. Man. Awesome. I have to go and take some papers and do the printer test page. But now check here. We have got the power button and the light, and then here we have got the black and the color options to choose when doing the printing or copying and everything. We've got the settings, we've got the menu. Like, wow. Whew. Mwah. Great. Look at this. Still fresh, man. Still fresh. Still fresh. Still fresh. Now, the next video that I will do, I will be explaining all these buttons in detail. Which one does what, which one does what. But this is how it is. Fresh. Can you see this? We just unboxed the new Canon Pixma TR4640. My name is Mzeda Rotondo, the guy with the YouTube channel. Thanks for getting back to my channel and for subscribing. God bless you.